Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Gala, we are trading at 0.05223. 24-hour volume, we're up 60%, and market cap, we're up 9.36%. So heading over to our daily chart, what we were anticipating was a retest on this bottom line here. On the left-hand side, we can see this trend line. We were anticipating that retest of our area of support, and the price for Jasmine bounced very, very nicely. So as we can see here for the daily time frame, as the progression of Gala is coming up, we are still in this uptrend corridor, making very short corrections. So we can see 1, 2, 3 days, and then we see a pump, 1, 2, 3 days, and a pump. So we are anticipating for the price to come up and retest this area of resistance that we've already done in doing so at 55.45 here. So we're going to go into our 4-hour time frame, but before we do, on the right-hand side here, the RSI itself is around the 80% threshold, which is considered as overbought. And we do see an extension of our KDG line. So we do see in yesterday's candle a pinch on our KDG line and then an expansion. So just be very cautious taking a look at today's candlestick. However, if we do compare it to the previous candlestick action, we do have an engulfing candlestick, which is very, very bullish in this current uptrend. So switching it over to the 4-hour time frame, we do see that big outburst from our middle trend line. So here, 4-hour time frame, downtrend corridor stopped here, mitigated into a uptrend. We do see this red candlestick in the previous 4-hour time frame, which is overexceeded more than 50% of the previous green action. So this does give us a hint, a warning that the downtrend may occur. So let's take a look at some of our indicators here. So we do see the volume itself was increasing. We have the green red candlestick, of course, favored in the buyers. It is followed by a red candlestick, red volume. It does follow in pinching of our RSI. So here, pinch of our RSI, pinch of our RSI in a 4-hour time frame. Keep in mind on a daily time frame, as we do see the RSI and the KDG, it is slowly expanding. It's not outburst expanding, it is slowly expanding. So there may be weakness again in a current uptrend. Now, as the price itself is correcting, we do see some type of bullish ends on our MACD indicator, these two histograms. However, just proceed with caution as it isn't a huge outburst here. It's only around 0.0014 of an increase opposed to these histograms that we saw. So the momentum itself may not last as long and it may change to a red indicator. The STC here, it does look like it is progressing just very, very slowly. Normally the uptrend we want is an immediate uptrend to show the momentum in an uptrend favor, but we are most likely again going to come down to retest areas of support, and I am going to bring out our fixed range volume profile because this is kind of new territory for Gala in the last couple of hours or so. And if we can take a look at our area of supply and demand, we can see at this very node here, 51067. If the price does move away from this area, it is going to come down to our 61% of our fib, which is 0.04998. And if we do take that turn, if you guys can imagine, it does a huge correction. And what we're looking for in this uptrend is to have shallow corrections and continue the uptrend and retest that resistance line. So just be very cautious going into today. Definitely let me know what you guys think it down below. Like and subscribe if you found the video insightful, but I'll see you next time.